guys, this is Emmanuel. This is part 1 of the full wrap in camouflage for this Dodge Charger. Let's do it. Alright guys, this is the new project for a full wrap. This is gonna be a camouflage full wrap. This is a 2017 Dodge Charger, the Scat Pack, and it has airbags. It's pretty cool. So today we're only going to do the roof and the hood because it's gonna be hard to do this one, the full wrap, but it's gonna look sick. So let's start with the full wrap. Remember, it's gonna be in pieces. First I'm gonna do it the whole car in matte black, and then we're gonna add other small pieces for the camouflage. Alright, so stay tuned and put the notification bell so you can see the process on the full wrap for this car. Right, let's do it. Alright guys, so today we're gonna wrap it in matte black. For today I'm trying to do the hood, the roof, and I hope I have time to do the fenders, but if not, I'm gonna do only the hood and the roof. And also I'm gonna remove the antenna. I already have a video how to do it. I'm gonna put the link over there on the top if you wanna see how to remove it. But in this one, I'm just gonna remove it. I'm not gonna show it on the video, all right? And the link is gonna be on the description of the video, how to do it. So let's start cleaning first, removing the antenna, and removing this plastic thing, and then let's wrap it. All right, let's do it. Okay, in here you only need to remove that screw right there, that one. By removing that one you can remove the antenna, it's very easy. Okay, also you have to disconnect those two connections, the yellow and the purple, and that's it. With that you can remove the antenna. I already removed the screw from there. Alright, now the hood is clean. It looks super cool and nice, as you can see it. Right there, it's finished. I didn't put the plastic scoop thing because I still have to put more things on top. So that's why I'm not gonna put this thing back. But now let's do the roof next. Let's do it. Alright guys, this is the hood and the roof. I did the hood and the roof for today. Tomorrow I'll try to do fenders and doors and probably rear panel, but maybe, I don't know, it's a lot of work. So in the next video I'm gonna try to do fenders and doors at least. Probably the trunk too. It looks very nice. This material you need to use a squeegee with like a soft sleeve. This one, because if you don't use a squeegee like those, you will scratch this material. This material is very delicate. This is a 3M 1080. Okay, so the squeegee, you need to use a squeegee with a soft sleeve on the side, on the edge. You can see there the roof is finished. It's gonna look very nice, but this is the first step, is to do the whole thing in matte black, and then we're gonna do the camo. So hit the notification bell so you can see the process of the camo wrap. Okay, thank you for watching. If you see a bubble, you can just do it like this and it will go away. hood and the roof. This is part 1 of the full wrap for the camouflage wrap. Okay? If you like the video, please like the video. And if you're new, subscribe for more videos like this one. See you on the next video.